Let me in this place.
I got my ticket, yeah?
Tickets, baby! We got our tickets.
No, chill, that was fucking hurt.
Yeah, no, I didn't mean to.
I did. Oh, you can do it live.
Yeah, but I was like, this, I was like tapping it around there.
Cheers.
Yeah, thank you, brother.
VIP to the right.
Thank you. Wait for the peeps. We inside, yeah.
Go steal one of the cars, go.
I'll steal the motorbike.
Hey, sir, let's go.
I'll steal the two-stroke, baby. Two-stroke. Fucking hope. Right, brothers, you have a good one, eh? I might see you around.
See ya.
See you like next time, whenever. Have a good one, brothers.
I followed you though on YouTube.
Yeah.
Later, bros.
Go up to Donny, go interview.
What, you got any YouTubes or anything?
Yeah, interview.
What you got?
Nah, just kidding.
No?
Go interview Don.
Who's done?
Right there.
This one, in the light. From the six.
This guy?
Yeah, go
Right here.
interview.
Nah, he right.
Not this guy here.
Just don't tell him we said.
Don't tell him we said.
Nah, you're right. They trying to get me in trouble. Stop playing with me. Green and purple thing, that's the one I want to see, but we'll see this first. They're peeps, they're looking at the boss, the green and purple thing too. They got a paint job there, look at it. This shit is sick. Oh, buy, sell and trade. What are you selling? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Only thing wrong with that is it's got Chevy badges on. Yeah. Oh, the paint job is sick. Take that poignant badge off. Get that shit out of here. This is my lobby. Hey mate, you know when the motorbikes are starting?
I'm not too sure.
Not sure, okay.
Your guess is good.
Yeah, thank you, brother. This is what I want to get a shot of. That shit's sick. I don't know how to get through. I'm in the way, sorry. How do I get through? I can't get through. This is what we need to get a shot of the inside. I've only got an hour, so we got to hurry up. I like motorbikes and freestyle, but I think I like burnouts better. These peeps love this shit too. It's awesome.
That's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, it matches you, sir.
Yeah.
Look at that.
My favourite colours. Yeah.
Oh, gorgeous.
The legends. Hey guys.
What's going on?
I'm good, brother. think I've seen you before, haven't I?
Probably at the Motorplex.
Yeah, Motorplex, yeah. We're going there later.
Oh, in Papalooza?
Yeah.
Fair enough.
Fucking gotta go at 2 o'clock, I gotta leave here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
When did the skid start?
I think like 5.
Oh, like, yeah, 5 or 4.
Yeah. Wait, he's going there too or no?
Nah,
Can't be.
maybe.
Yeah. Alright, brothers. Oh, what's your names, brother?
Dom,
Dom?
what's going on?
I'll give you a handshake, why not?
Caius.
Caius, Justin, brothers.
What's going on?
Nah, not much. Like I said, we just checking out the cars and we out. You how we going, eh, brothers?
Yep, you
Stay
too.
safe. I'll see you another time. You too, brother. Stay safe. There's a girl on there, look. A girl with titties popping out. We love the women's. You heard?
Very nice, isn't it?
What, the paint job?
Yeah.
Or this?
Very popular.
Yeah.
It comes in purple. I saw a purple one before.
Oh yeah, over there.
That's you.
Yeah.
Well, have a lovely day,
Yeah,
dear.
you too. You have one nice day too. Yeah, thank you. All the cool peeps. I think I've seen this car actually. Forgot to get a shot of this Lamborghini over here. It's a manual, baby. Manualing. Stop playing with me. Put this down so we can get a good shot. The butt needs to be bigger. Look at this fucking guy. Stop playing with me. Should I get a shot of this side? I don't know. Damn, she cute. I don't even remember if I got a shot of this boss thing. I can't remember. I better get a shot.